Best deals.
1. Square tawa is crafted without any coating, offering a natural non-stick surface, ensuring delicious and healthier meals. The square shape provides a larger cooking surface area, allowing to cook larger ingredients like fillets of fish or long vegetables. Square shapes fit better on stove tops, ideal for those with limited kitchen space. The square shape adds a unique aesthetic appeal to dishes. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Biryani pot. Experience the joy of cooking and serving dishes effortlessly, while also embracing healthier choices with 36% less oil usage. High heat, perfect results. Delight in the art of high heat cooking with confidence. This handy remains unscathed even under elevated temperatures. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pressure cooker. The new ergonomic handle stays cool and offers a comfortable grip. Rivetless handle makes it easy to clean. A long-lasting silicone gasket with a unique shape ensures better sealing and faster cooking, making this inner-laid cooker a smart choice for modern kitchens. Encapsulated base stays flat and won't separate. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Puttu maker. Prepares a variety of South Indian and traditional dishes like puttu, idli, dokla, and mini idli. Steam multiple servings at once, ideal for large families or gatherings. Combines multiple cooking functions in one unit, reducing kitchen clutter and maximizing space. Offers a modern, easy-to-clean surface that maintains a polished look. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Roti tawa. Crafted with 2.5 mm thick triple base for even heat distribution, ensuring soft, perfectly cooked rotis and chapatis every time on any cooktop. Made with durable materials. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Electric kettle. Embrace the freedom of mobility with our ultra-light and compact electric kettle. Ideal for on-the-go moms, it's a game changer for quick, hot meals and beverages anywhere, anytime. Bid farewell to scrubbing and stuck-on food. The high-quality non-stick coating ensures a swift cleanup, keeping your kettle pristine after every use. With its built-in dry boil protection, this kettle automatically shuts off when empty, ensuring safety in your busy kitchen. A reliable feature for peace of mind, perfect for multitasking moms. Designed for the busy mom. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Fry pan. PFOA-free non-stick shielded by stainless steel ridges, can use metal spatula. Less wear and tear, lasts longer. Extra thick 3 mm tri-ply, retains heat well. Cooks evenly. Stay cool, sturdy stainless steel handles, comfortable to hold even when pan is hot. Stainless steel rivets and bracket, firmly fixed. Will not loosen, it's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Bathroom shelf. Suitable for installation on tiles, glass, mirrors, laminates, marble, metal or any other smooth surface, load-bearing capacity up to 5 kg. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Collapsible basket. This bucket turns space saving into an art form, offering all of the versatility and practical use of your average bucket. The silicone bucket can be collapsed and hang up on your utility room's wall. Designed using foldable silicone and heavy-duty plastic, so the product is very durable. The flexible foldable is very easy for use. You can use it for home or outdoor activity, such as car washing, laundry, watering, camping, fishing, hiking, etc. It can be folded easily for saving space when not in use. It is very easy to handle and use. It is the perfect gifting solution on all occasions. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Tadka pan. The beechwood handle is heat insulated and non-slip, providing a comfortable and secure grip while cooking. With a 5 cm deep body, this tadka pan is ideal for frying spices, dal, and more, offering versatile cooking options. The integrally formed body ensures durability and resistance to deformation, giving you a reliable cooking tool for years. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Container. Each stackable layer has a secure airtight seal to keep food fresh, crisp, and moisture-free. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic ensuring safety, durability, and long-lasting use. Perfect for dry fruits, biscuits, namkeen, chips. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Stackable container. This stainless steel separator container set allows you to cook a whole meal, rice, lentils per deciliter and vegetables all together in few minutes with minimum use of fuel, energy and retaining all essential nutrients. This set comes with stainless steel lid to trap heat and moisture. There is air vent to each container to release extra steam pressure. This set is stackable and can use for multiple things like steam, stack leftover food, mixing food, etc. It is very easy to maintain and clean. It is dishwasher safe too. These multiple cooker containers are suitable for 3-liter inner and outer laid cooker. Container sets are made of high-quality stainless steel. These cooker containers are very strong and sturdy. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Coconut scraper and citrus juicer. Easily switch between coconut scraping and citrus juicing with one versatile appliance. Attach the spill tray and your chosen attachment to the 2-in-1 coconut scraper and citrus juicer, select the speed, and press the soft touch button to kickstart the appliance for swift and effective scraping or juicing. 200W high-torque copper motor ensures efficient and powerful operation, making quick work of coconut scraping and citrus juicing tasks. 2 speed options. Tailor the speed to your specific needs, whether you are scraping coconut or juicing citrus fruits. Specially designed citrus press cone, optimized for maximum juice extraction, making it easier to prepare fresh juices. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Stretch lids. Just cover it with these silicone covers and it will stay fresh until you feel hungry again. The silicone food protection cover can be used to cover cooked food, fruit, salads, sauces, and beverages such as coffee, tea, and juice. 6 transparent silicone sleeves of different sizes. Because they are stretchable materials, food lids are easy to fit into most bowls, jars, containers, cups, mugs, cans, jars, and you can even use them to cover your half-cut melon or watermelon. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Container. Made from high-quality polished stainless steel, the container is sturdy, rust-resistant, and features an elegant design with deep silver lines. This large 12-inch stainless steel drum has a 10 kg capacity, ideal for storing grains, flour, rice, sugar, snacks, and other kitchen essentials with ease. Suitable for storing bulk quantities of food or essentials. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Casseroles. Advanced ceramic coating inside, needs less oil, healthy and hygienic. At lower medium heat, food will not burn or stick. Ceramic coated inside and outside, no PTFE, no PFAS. Tough, versatile die-cast body, one dish to cook, bake, serve, store and reheat. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Glass jar. The airtight spice containers is made of high-quality scratch-free glass. These glass jars come in a round shape with airtight silicone gasket clip-top lid that makes it look fashionable and seals the items within tight. Glass jars are a great option since it is non-porous, which means that your spices will be protected as long as the lid fits tightly. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Casserole. 100% toxin-free, free from lead, cadmium, and harmful chemicals. Cook and serve safely for your family. Non-porous glaze, resists stains from turmeric, masalas, and oils. Cleans effortlessly, stays beautiful. High firing temperature advantage, fired at 1200 to 1300 degrees Celsius for premium durability and very low porosity, superior to mass-market earthenware. Keeps food warm longer, retains heat beautifully, perfect for keeping desserts, dips, and bakes warm at the table. Oven safe, microwave safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe. One vessel for everything, bring warmth and elegance to your table, whether you are baking single-serve desserts, warming dips, or plating individual portions with restaurant-style flair. Each cocotte is the perfect size for molten cakes, baked custards, creamy pasta bakes, or even portioned curries. The smooth, toxin-free glaze resists stains and cleans effortlessly. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cast iron tawa. Metal is heated to a very high temperature and poured under high pressure into a mold cavity. The molten metal takes the shape of the mold and the result is a complex, intricately designed pot or pan which adds the metal where it is needed the most, building strength and functionality. Once the molten metal hardens, the mold is opened and the die-cast pan is removed. The final result is a finely engineered piece of cookware with wonderful properties. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Oil dispenser. Made of food-grade thickened stainless steel provide a durable and unbreakable usage test. Oil dispenser is BPA-free, with dust-proof cover. Anti-drip designed to prevent oil leaks and control the usage of oil, precise avoiding waste and good for health, keeping the pot clean and dry. Big mouth convenience for refill oil. The lid protects the oil from dust. The top hole design, the formation of air convection, control the oil speed and smoothly. No screwed lid for easy one-handed cooking. The stainless steel bottle heat resisting. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Pan. Cookware has coating making cooking safer and our health better. Its new and improved coating ensures durability and poses no harm to food. All in all, smart cookware for a smart kitchen. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Vegetable chopper. This cordless vegetable chopper can chop, mince, puree, and whisk with its stainless steel blades, making it perfect for various cooking tasks. It features a 400 ml glass bowl and comes with 3200 ml mini bowls with a mini chopping blade, making it convenient for small chopping jobs. The one-touch operation and anti-skid pad ensure effortless and safe use. The chopper is USB rechargeable, eliminating the need for batteries. It includes a garlic peeler, making the process of peeling garlic cloves quick and easy. One-touch operation electric chopper for kitchen use for effortless chopping and dicing, helping you save time during meal prep and spend more quality time with your family. This convenient and reliable chopper for kitchen electric reduces the stress of juggling multiple tools like knives and chopping boards. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Lunch box. The non-reactive steel surface helps keep food pure, fresh and free from unwanted chemical interactions. The top quality steel used ensures your meals remain clean, hygienic and true to taste. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Soap stand. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal, to install your soap stand on wall. Installation tip: clean and dry the surface of application before putting the magic sticker. Press and flat the magic sticker pad, squeeze the air out. From middle to edge. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Water bottle. Sustainable and eco-friendly bottle ideal for both outdoor activities and indoor hydration. It serves as a great substitute for plastic bottles, and its lightweight design makes it travel-friendly, featuring an ideal inner surface made of steel, the skin made of biocomposites and air insulation. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Burner stand. Easy to install without accessories, the windshield buckle is aligned with the claws of the hob, it is convenient to put it down directly, and the operation is simple. With the gas stove windshield bracket, the fire can be concentrated and not dispersed. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Lunch box. Made from the finest quality stainless steel, our lunch boxes maintain the freshness of your food. The double wall insulation keeps your meals warm, allowing you to enjoy the flavors just as they were when lovingly prepared. Carry your lunch in style with our smartly designed, washable carry bag. Enjoy the flavors just as they were when lovingly prepared. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Bucket mop. Is made up with virgin PP, makes it strong, durable and lightweight. Refill, microfiber bucket, high-grade plastic rod. This aesthetically designed bucket made of high-grade plastic is light, durable and easy to use. It saves lot more water than any other product. It is up to 90% labor-reducing mop. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Casserole. Enjoy healthy, tasty, and crispy food effortlessly is the spot embraces the concept of natural non-stick without the need for additional coatings. With the ability to withstand high heat and retain it effectively, this pan makes cooking a breeze. Its rugged build allows the use of metal ladles without a worry. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, it won't rust with regular care, ensuring its longevity. The extra thick 5mm base ensures that your food won't burn or stick, promising generations of faithful service and consistently delicious, healthy meals. Product link is given in the 29th link.